同学们好，今天我们来看看欢迎一 Unit 4 Lesson 2 Dialogue 1对话一 I'm going to read dialogues first, then I'll explain sentence by sentence. For the questions, I'm going to use 问 instead of 说. Here we go. 妮娜问，明天你带几本课本去学校？玛利亚说，5本。你看，有数学、汉语、英语、历史和化学。妮娜问，你带本子吗？玛利亚说，带，我带2本练习本。妮娜问，你每天带那么多书和本子去学校吗？玛利亚说，对，你呢？妮娜说，我带1本英语书、1本练习本和1盒蜡笔。In this lesson, Dialogue 1, you are going to see measure words. Okay, we have learned measure words like 个. For example, 几个人，我家有4个人。几个老师，几个学生，几只猫，几只狗。But today you are going to see 本, a new measure word. 本 is a measure word used for textbooks, for notebooks, for anything that is like a book. Okay, here 带 means take. 带几本 how many? Measure word 课本 textbook. 去学校 to school. So tomorrow, how many textbook are you going to take to school? Okay, 带是 take. 5本 This is shortened term of 5本课本. As you can see, 课本 means textbook. 你看 you look or you may see 有 there is, so there is a list of something. There be structure in English. In Chinese, we use 有. 有数学 math, 汉语 Chinese language, 英语 English language or language arts, 历史 history 和化学 and chemistry. 你带本子吗？ Did you take notebooks? So as you can see, 课本 本 measure word, 课本 textbook, 本子 notebook. So when you get to know 本 itself, you can actually master quite a number of vocabularies. Okay, here we go. 带 means yes, I take. 我带2本练习本。As you can see, 本子 means notebook. 练习 means practice. So the notebook for practice. 练习本 Okay, our workbook is also called 练习本。好，你每天带那么多书，那么多。This is a language chunk. So if you remember this like 那么 so many, such 那么多是 so many, 那么大 so big, 那么小 so small, 那么好看 okay, so beautiful. So 那么 is actually indicates very much. Okay. 书和本子 书 means books 和本子 notebooks 去学校吗？每天 every day. So we put time at the beginning of the sentence, right? And then the verb. Are you taking so many books and notebooks to school every day? 对 correct. 你呢 What about you? 我带 I take 一本 one and then 本 measure word 英语 English book or language arts book 书一本 another measure word about the workbook 练习本 workbook or notebook 和 一盒蜡笔，蜡笔 means crayons. 盒 is another measure word, a box. For example, a box of chocolate, we say 一盒巧克力. A box of candies, 一盒糖. A box of crayons, 一盒蜡笔. And a box of anything in it, we can say 一盒,一盒. 好. In this dialogue one, you can see we have measure word 本 learned. We have measure word 盒 learned. Okay, 盒 means box. We can say 盒子, that is a noun box, but if we use 盒 as a measure word, we say 一盒蜡笔. So, a box of crayons. 好，这是 dialogue 1. Dialogue 2. 对话2. Still, I'm going to read it and I'm going to explain the dialogue sentence by sentence. 汤姆问凯莉：借我一支笔用用好吗？凯莉说：好。你要什么颜色的？汤姆说：红的。你有吗？凯莉说：对不起，我只有蓝的和黑的。汤姆问：谁有红的？凯莉说：丁老师有。好。In this short dialogue, we can see one character 借. 借 in English means borrow and lend. Okay, in Chinese, it means the similar thing. 借我something. That means I want to borrow something. Okay, 一支笔 another measure word 支. 支 is different from 一只猫一只狗的支. That is a cat. Okay, it's different. It's like a box, TV box, right? But here, 支 means a measure word for pencil. Anything that is long, that you can hold with your fingers, you can write with. For example, 笔. 笔 means writing utensils. Why I say that? Because 笔 is the key word for all kinds of writing utensils. For example, in dialogue 1, we learned crayon. Crayon 是蜡笔. If we are using pencils, we call it 铅笔. In next lesson, we are going to learn how to say ballpoint pen or fountain pen, okay, 钢笔. So anything that you can write with, you can draw with, we can say 笔. If it is a calligraphy brush, we call it a 毛笔 because it's made of fur of animals, right? 毛 like hair. 好，借我一支笔用用。用 is repeated twice. 用 means to use, right? In lesson 1, we learned 我用书包放狗的玩具. So I use the backpack to put the dog's toys in, right? 用。借我一支笔用用. That means, may I borrow a pen to use? Is that okay? So as you can see, 好吗? Tag question, suggestion, asking for a favor. And then Kelly said, 好，你要什么颜色的？要 you want what color? Pay attention to the sequence in Chinese questions. In Chinese questions, we never switch the order. We just say 你要什么颜色的? We have the question word in front of 颜色 color. So when we answer it, we can say 我要红色的, right? 红 means red. 我要红色的. So here 什么 means what, and then replaced by the answer. It's just fine. 好，红的 or 红色的，你有吗？ Do you have it? Do you have red pen? 你有吗？ And then Kelly doesn't have it. That's why she responds, 对不起， 我只有 pay attention to this. Here 只 is not 只 it is 只只 means only here. It is not a measure word. So 只有 means only have. 我只有蓝的和黑的，蓝的 blue ones and black ones 黑 okay 黑色 black 谁有红的 remember we say 谁的 means whose 谁 means who 谁有红的 together that means red pen okay who has the red one 丁老师有As you can see in this dialogue, it is all very shortened. So it is like a real daily conversation. Okay, you don't use a long sentence to get your meanings through. Right? 好 Pay attention to the color 黑红 Okay, and then 借我 the measure word 支 for the pen 笔 Okay, 用 double usage of verbs. Okay, 用 that means just use it for a while, short while. Like we say 看看means take a look, right? 说说 talk about it. 听听 listen to something for a while. Okay, 好，就到这里，谢谢，再见。